Hey everybody.
Hi.
Hey, we're gonna try a new segment for a while. See what you guys think of this, called 2 Minutes in the Tent with Chad and Pam. So we're gonna try and keep our videos to 2 minutes and talk about what we did yesterday. So here we go. What did we do yesterday?
Yesterday we were in town. We were in Monson, and we did our resupply. And I sent back our shakedown items. I sent them to our resupply person back home. And we ate lots of good food.
Yeah.
We got all the fresh veggies and everything that we wanted. It was so much fun. It was so nice. We got to sleep in beds. It was great.
We got all of our laundry and stuff cleaned and packed in nice and neat manner. What else did we do yesterday? That may be about it. I guess well, I mean, like I said, like she said, we got some good food, basically some salad greens and stuff, and then
You mean salad greens?
I got salad greens.
Oh, you mean to eat? Okay,
Yeah.
I was thinking about like in the pack. So no.
No. Yeah, just town food was good. I had 2 Caesar salads, and then I can't remember what I had for dinner, but
yeah. I got veggies for the trail.
Oh, we had sandwiches for dinner. And then we got packed up last night, settled our bill, which was a lot more than we thought. But anyway, so yeah, that was a recap for day 15. We are back on track with our days and numbers and stuff. So that was day 15. That was July 9th. And we're at 2 minutes. So we'll talk to y'all next time.